What's going on, everybody? So today I ordered this package straight from Mercari. Actually, I ordered me a Game Boy Color, complete in box with the manual on the game. And this one is Donkey Kong. So yeah, so I'm gonna take it off from the package. Okay. So this one I pay $20. Free shipping. Good deal. So yeah, so Donkey Kong Country. So for the Game Boy Color. So yeah, but the box is pretty kind of rough shape. Got some creases on the side, the top. So let me show you guys the front of the box, top, spine, the other side, and also in the back. So yeah, cool. Open it up. Take out the inside of it. Got the manual, of course. Okay. And also the game itself. Focus on that. Yeah, so pretty nice. Right now, at this moment, I don't have my Game Boy SP to test the game, see if it works. But I'm gonna do it off camera. So yeah, so right now it's recharging it because the battery is dead. So yeah, guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. That's my unboxing of Donkey Kong Country, complete in box for the Game Boy Color. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.